To enable or disable sounds on key press in keyboard for Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then navigate all the way down to the system and go for keyboard and input method. Now the first option is on-screen keyboard. Select the Gboard and scroll down to preferences. On the bottom of preferences, you can find sound on key press. When it's activated, you can adjust the volume for the key press and either use your system default sounds or you can adjust the volume with the slider. Now let me demonstrate how this works. If we open our keyboard in any case and we tap on it, there's a click sound. And if we disable it, there's no tap sounds at all.